So today we're going to be playing a game called Malone. I don't know. If you have an Xbox, you can totally play this. So I'm a few levels in, by the way. So I'm going to do this. This game is kind of tough. No, but my sister once showed me this, and I thought it was pretty cool and funny. One of this name is you're supposed to be like writing. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it for you guys to watch. Ooh, I almost hit a rock. Okay. Oh, my bad. Oh. Oh, oops. Ah! Oh no! What was I doing? I wasn't paying attention. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, that happened. Ooh. Oh, hi, my dad's in here. So, Raina, you have to, like, so, you have to, like, oh, this one's hard. Oh! Okay, so, yeah. Ooh, I almost fell right there. Don't know how I survived that. Alright. Okay, it took us 50.16 seconds to complete that one. Yep. Woo! Oh, that was so funny. I almost lost right there too. So, oh look, he's stuck there. Yeah, so if you have an Xbox One or something, you can totally get this game. It's free, because it's on Game Pass, so you can get it if you want. If you want to. I tried it. Oh, this game is hilarious. Oh. I'm so bad at this. Oh, you were fine. Ooh, I don't know what's gonna happen if I hit the rock right there. It would have been a very painful death. Oof. This is that one spot that always gets me. Ah. Ah. Yeah, it's pretty tough. Ooh. Been 20. Oh! I finally did it. Okay. Oh, don't die right there, please. Almost there. Come on. Ooh, I gotta be careful. Ooh! Took me 41 seconds, I believe. So you have to get to 7 because that's what it is. Oh, I did it. Okay, so section 1, I got, oh, it's kind of blurring out, but on section 1 to the left, I got 138, then on section 2, I got 28, then on section 3, I got 15, then I got 24 on number 4, then on 5, I got 50, and then on 6, I got 41, and then on 7, 17. Menu, try another one. Starting to. Yeah, I can't. Yeah, I'll do this. Do purple green. Okay, do this thing. He's just sitting there. Look at him. Look at him. Ooh, feeling so bad. Ah, things. I pressed the wrong. Oh, come on! I keep pressing the wrong button. I keep pressing the wrong button. Okay, being careful right there because I keep dying at it. Same exact spot. Alright. Let me take a it didn't say how long it took us for us to go for a run. Woohoo! Okay. Ah. Oof. Woohoo! Ah. So anyway, guys, if you really enjoyed this video, and if you want more Lonely Mountains Downhill, just press the like button so I know you want more. And if you like watching these videos, you can just press subscribe. It says subscribe, and if you want like notifications, so when I post a video, you can just hit the bell icon, and when it doesn't ring. And anyway, see you all later.